Okay, table. We cannot show. Okay, I don't know what happened in here, and I mentioned one thing happened on this. I think here it's the Pro Engineer's book. You can see this one. D6 is the D2. Okay, D2, and D3, D1, D0. It's this. It's this this row. Okay, D4, D3, D5. D5 is D1, and D3 might be original D3, and D4 is D0, D6 is D2. Okay, it didn't match, but it still work. I cannot figure out why. I press save and exit. Okay, you can see. It must be something wrong in here. So I'll try to I don't know why you has this one, but so I think I close this and I'll just use this one to illustrate to you, and I did all in this, and pattern. Okay. Still show table 1 and choose 100, and the 25, 10, 10. You see. D34, D34, D36, 36, 10, 10. Okay, that's right. And here I just want to pattern only one key, and here I press -50, and here I press start. I press start. Start means the same as the original one. Okay, I save and exit. You can execute here, and I still want to modify, and here I press 10, and key length I don't want so long, so I press 10. Okay, yeah, save. I guess. Oh, possibly if I want. Okay, and yeah, I'll do again. It is good. There's so many good things. And so we clean up every group. Group. Okay. Here's ungroup. Here you can see a mirror. Ungroup. Ungroup. So delete one, and I don't redo the previous state. I just continue from this one, and yeah, I check layer. Okay, layer on height. I think I don't need this one, and this on height. Okay, let's go to this model tree. The next step is to build up the rib structure. Here is Keypad, and I want rib from here to here, and actually this area will become loop. So, and I just and here cap area. Okay, key cap. So you don't want me to do as my step. You can figure out your method. I just want to tell you how to do and how to use this function. Pattern table, insert select field, sweep on something else, and use the relationship to control all this item. Okay, so and now I build I set it to okay. Yeah, I want to build a sketch also, or you don't need to build, you just insert sweep protrusion and use sketch plan. And okay. Use